say thank you so much to the Wackerle Center. They helped me with interviews, mock interviews for grad school applications, resume stuff, internships, really figuring out and determining my life. So I really want to thank you to the Wackerle Center.
I actually had my very first resume drafted and completed here at the Wackerle Center, and it's been reviewed too many times to count. I've been updated over and over again with help of the Wackerle Center. And also, when I was applying to be a resident assistant on campus, they helped me compose my application, including cover letters, my resume, all the sorts, reviewing my paragraphs, my essays, and things like that. So it's been a tremendous experience.
They reviewed all of my documents to help get me into law school, and they also keep me up to date with current students through the mentorship program.
Assisted me with edits to my resume to ensure that I would stand out to potential employers.
The Wackerle helped me to create a resume that stood out and looked professional and get a job after college.
So through the Wackerle, I've been able to perfect my resume and eventually get an internship this past summer. And now since I work at the Wackerle, I'm able to help other students do the same, which is super rewarding.
I truly don't know where I would be today without the Wackerle Career Center. Marnie and Stephanie helped me so much during my time at Monmouth. Thank you for making this possible, Fred.
Thanks, 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 Fred.